Hello, class 5 students. So, we are back with our Sunshine, chapter number 5. That's the poem. So, let us do it. The poem is This Is Going to Hurt Just a Little Bit by Ogden Nash. So, children, the poem is very funny and it's very practical also. This is a kind of experience of the poet visiting a dentist. So, children, you also might be having some dental problems at this age, and how funny and how terrifying is it to sit at the chair of dentist. So, this here is the experience of our poet that one day he visited the dentist with his tooth problem and how he felt going there. So let's read the poem first, then we'll go to the word meanings, and then I'll explain the poem to you. So let us read the poem. One thing I like than most things is sitting in a dentist chair with my mouth wide open. Because some tortures are physical and some are mental, but the one that is both is dental. Your mouth is like a section of road that is being worked on, and it is all cluttered up with stone crushers and concrete mixtures. And then, at last, he says, that will be all. But it isn't, because he then coats your mouth from cellar to roof, and then you totter your feet and think, well, it's all over now. And after all, it was only this once. And he says, come back in 3 months. It's by Ogden Nash. First, let us go with the word meanings because we will come across these difficult words. First is cellar, meaning is bottom. Second is cluttered, covered with full or covered with or full of something. Then concrete mixtures, these are like the things which are used to make the roads, machines with drums that hold sand, water and cement and turn to mix them together. You might have seen when किसी का लेंटर पड़ता है ना, तो you might have seen a round mixture machine is there, that is known as concrete mixture. Then mental means connected with happening in the mind. Stone crushers are the machines for breaking down stories. You might have seen the JCBs. Then tortures, sufferings, totter, to walk or move with weak, unsteady steps. So as you read the poem, you'll understand these meanings. So let us come to the poem. One thing I like less than most things is sitting in a dentist chair with my mouth wide open. So the thing which the poet unlikes the most, that is sitting in a dentist chair with his mouth wide open, means he recalls that when he was sitting in the dentist chair, you know, when we had to sit in the dentist chair, that time we are bound. We are just lying on the chair and our mouth is wide open, and the dentist keeps on doing something with your teeth and your mouth, and it feels very painful and very irritating also. The same way the poet also feels, that he says that one thing I like less than most things, means he dislikes this thing very much. What? That is sitting in a dentist chair with his mouth wide open. Because some tortures are physical and some are mental. Because the poet feels that it is like a torture. And he says that some tortures are mental and some are physical. कुछ तो body को असर करते हैं, कुछ mind को असर करते हैं. But the one that is both is dental. But when we visit the dentist, this is like physical and mental, both kind of tortures together. Now he says, your mouth is like a section of road that is being worked on. आपने देखा होगा बेटा, जब road construction चलती है, that time the road is filled up The road is filled up with stone crushers and concrete mixtures. So stone crushers, I've told you, like JCBs, and concrete mixtures, a machine in which that we put the stones, cement and all the mixtures, and it is moving round and round and round and round, and this mixture is being mixed on. So this way he says that the condition of our mouth is like a section of road. That road, it is like compared to a section of road, a part of road that is being worked on, that is being constructed, and it is all filled up with stone crushers and concrete mixtures and charcoal and stones and cement and many more things together. So he says that the condition of our mouth is like that. And then at last he says that will be all. So बार बार डॉक्टर कहता है ना, बस हो गया, बस हो गया, बस हो गया. This way he says that हाँ, done, it's all done. But it isn't. लेकिन खत्म नहीं होता है ना. तो डॉक्टर कहता है बस एक मिनट और, बस हो गया. And he keeps on working on your tooth, because he then coats your mouth from cellar to roof. And by then होता क्या है कि वो उसने ऊपर से लेकर के नीचे तक आपके पूरे माउथ को मेडिसिन लगा देता है वो तब तक. So your mouth is being coated with medicines from cellar to roof, so bottom to the upper part of your mouth, that is roof. So पूरा mouth जो है, that is covered with the medicines. He has covered it with some medicine. And you totter your feet and think, well, it's all over now. Or totter your feet. आप अपने पैरों को मलते हो ना, एक पैर से दूसरे पैर को ऐसे से रगड़ते रहते हो. You keep on tottering your feet. And कि हो गया, बस हो गया, अभी और कितना देर लगेगा. So this way, and he thinks, well, it's all over now. और आपको लगता रहता है हो गया, अब हो गया. But no. And after all, it was only this once. तो आपको लगता है कि मुझे बस एक ही बार कराना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद दोबारा नहीं करवाना पड़ेगा. But then what happens? The dentist says, and he says, come back in 3 months. होता है कि 3 months के बाद दोबारा चेकअप के लिए आ जाना. Come back for the examination again in 3 months, and that is the horrible thing for you. होती है ना? So I hope you have enjoyed the poem, and here we have certain exercises of the chapter. So children, one thing I like less than the most things is, what is that thing? That thing is sitting in a dentist chair for the treatment of tooth with mouths wide open. Second, but the one that is both is dental. What does the poet mean? The poet means B part, the dental problems and the dental checkup seem to be a painful experience, both physically and mentally. How does the poet describe the mouth? Children, I am just telling you right now I'm telling you oral, and after the video is about to finish, I will put here a page on which all the answers are written. How does the poet describe the mouth? The poet describes the mouth as a part of the road which is under construction, filled up with stone crushers and concrete mixers. And fourth, and then at last he says. So here, who is he being referred to here? Who is he here? Here, he is the dentist. And what does he say at last? What does the dentist say at last? He says, he advises his patient to come back in 3 months for another examination. So fifth part, because he then coats your mouth from cellar to roof, it means that B part, the dentist applies a medicine as a coating inside the mouth from top to bottom. Then fill in the blanks. This is to be completed from the poem itself, and pick any one line from the poem that makes you laugh. What is that line? I feel the very last line, and he says come back in 3 months. This is the most So children, here are the question answers which you had to do from your book and notebook itself, and you can take a screenshot in order to complete your notebooks, right? One is this, and then you do this. Okay, and children, I'll send you the reference to context in a PDF which is attached with the video. Goodbye children. I hope you enjoyed the poem. Okay, goodbye.